what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. In this video, guys, I am going to take you guys along on my journey of my 200K challenge that I have just recently signed up with Hola. So come along with me, but you know you have to either like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Just turn the lights down right now. Put me.
All right, y'all. So right now I'm actually in the kitchen right now, about to fix me something to eat. And I was like, you know what? Let me actually pull up this week because tonight it is Thursday night, and I realized that I am done trading for the week. So I just wanted to get on here and tell you guys about my week so far and how I was able to basically make $5,000 this week, which is roughly, that's about 25% of my account that I'm doing so far. And that's actually not that bad, guys. So I'm super excited. So right now, guys, I have my phone up right now and I literally screen recorded my whole experience. Okay, y'all, so right now basically what is going on is pretty much I just signed into my account, right? So once you sign up with an account with Hola Prime, after you make that purchase, they are going to send you the username and password to get in. Right now I'm just searching for NAS 100, as you guys can see here, and basically I am pretty much completing a pending order. You guys should know already that that is pretty much my strategy that works for me, and I'm just kind of getting a feel of things of how to go about when it comes to creating the price. So this price entry point that I am creating right now is actually the same price entry that I sent out to my VIP trading signal group. And after, once this video is over with, you will see that I pretty much, made profits. So if you're not a part of the VIP trading signal group, I highly advise you to join. It is only $50, guys. I really believe that it is one of the investments that you should really have a part of your trading portfolio, especially if you're wanting to gain a little bit more income, especially profits when it comes to trading, right? We have been doing extremely well this year so far. We started back, I want to say January 6th is what I want to say, somewhere that time, and we've been doing very well, guys. So if you want to be a part of our group, go ahead and do it. But as you guys can see here, I went ahead and placed the take profit, and then I went ahead and I was just messing around with all these buttons because I wasn't sure on what did it mean. Okay, so I'm still unaware of what value means. I was trying to figure out what the actual the lot size was going to be. So here you can see that I am basically messing around with it, and it's letting me know how much in USD this lot size is equivalent to. So I'm messing with it a lot, as you guys can see. So I'm going up, right? Just to kind of play with it and see, how far it will let me go up, right? So I'm messing with it. And then I go ahead and press buy stop, right? And then I change the price for my take profits just to gain a little bit more. And then I press buy stop again using that same lot size at 20.1. And so right now we're just waiting on pretty much for it to hit. So I was just kind of observing to see where I would be able to find my profits when I do, when it does get activated, my pending orders becoming activated, where would I locate this information? But just to kind of give you guys an understanding, when you do create an account with Hola Prime, and you are buying an account through them, it's not going to be the same method because you are actually going through the challenge. So you have to basically pass the challenge in order to kind of see your profits. So you're not going to see your profits until you make your target goal. So that's just something to keep in mind. So as you guys can see here, I am just really messing with the numbers. Like, I'm messing with the numbers, guys. Messing with it, as you can see. Because I don't know, right? I don't know. So I'm just trying to see what would it allow me to do. So right here, it rejected me because it cannot be higher than 100.0 lots. So that I'm like, okay, understandable. So what did I do? Y'all can see it from here. And it's going. This is too funny. And so as you guys are noticing at the bottom, it shows the commission of how much I will make. It also gives you the free funds. It gives you a lot of different information for you to know. All right. So then after that, guys, as you guys can see here, I go back and I made close to $3,400 from those two positions that I placed. Very simple, very easy. As you can see here at the volume size of 97.8, I made a little bit higher compared to the volume size of 20.1, as you can see. All right, so the next day, guys, so I believe that was a Tuesday. So the next day, this is Wednesday, and I'm getting back into the chart roughly around 10:28. Again, I just recently sent out the trading idea to my VIP trading signal group, and I just wanted to kind of witness and just review it just for like a confidence booster of how much I made yesterday. So that was just like a recap. So again, I'm going back to searching for NAS 100, and I'm pretty much doing the same volume size that I did prior. So that's another reason why I pulled it up, just to kind of see what volume works best for me and my trading style. So I just go ahead and just type it in to make it easier instead of actually playing with the buttons, right? And then from there, again, guys, I'm just copying and pasting from the VIP trading signal group of my own trade idea, right? That I sent out to my my members, right? And then again, I'm going to place the take profit. All right, guys, so as you can see here, I have placed everything. And then last but not least, guys, I go back, which I've already known that it has went through. So I made a total of 25, close to basically $2,600, which ultimately, guys, gave me close to $6,000. So I'm super excited, guys. I am getting closer and closer to the target goal. So wish me luck as I am going through this journey. But I just wanted to show you guys pretty much how I was able to kind of get into the markets and the strategies that I am doing. I'm using the same strategies since forever, guys. So if you know me, you know that I've been using the same strategy. I'm not going to change it, right? But if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is free. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.